Hello, good morning, everybody. Good morning. There was a small glitch, that's why a bit late. Close to 5 minutes. We are late by 5 minutes, but luckily, thank God, problem resolved. Okay. So if you can hear me, if I am audible and visible, please say yes in chat window. Okay. So guys, let's crack UPSC CSE with India's largest learning platform that is Unacademy. Okay, this is about me, Dr. Sachin Kadam, mentor, educator, and a medical graduate for different examinations. My teaching experience is more than 8 years in Delhi and across India states. You can see on an academy there are many benefits of an academy. First benefit is daily live classes, like you are experiencing every day 8 a.m. in the morning at on an academy learning app. I am taking classes, so there are many teachers who are taking daily live classes, structured courses. You will experience this in this week itself for science and technology, then live test and quiz, as well as unlimited access to all these daily live classes because they are all in recorded format. The India's top educators will educate you for different examinations, particularly UPSC CSE. You can see them here, all the top educators of India. Then there are many subjects on an academy, from polity to science and technology, and more than one course on a single subject. You can see here, even we help you to prepare for mains as well as interview. So subscribe to an academy from 1 month to 24 months. These are the subscription options that you have. For UPSC CSE, it's better to study or prepare for longer duration. So 12-month subscription 40,000. Don't forget to use my code SKUS, guys. Please subscribe to an academy, use my code SKUS and get immediate 10% discount. Fees will be 36,000 rupees. It is nothing, guys. Everyone knows the cost of coaching in offline settings. For 24 month it is again much lesser, 48,000 rupees. My code SKUS and you will get 10% discount. Fees will be 43,200 rupees. Okay, fine. So today we are going to discuss one article from Sunday's newspaper that you already have. I hope you read about that article, guys. Good morning to everyone, everybody. Good morning. Balaji, Nikita, Rambhau, Anupam, Srihari, welcome, welcome. Why you are not watching my free special classes on Unacademy Learning app? You should. Okay, Nehal, Bishwas, Rajesh. Good morning, Rajesh Shinde. Ishan. Good morning, Ishan. I remember you. You're from Jammu, right? Yasmin. Good morning, Yasmin. Bhavna. Good morning, Bhavna. Okay, so guys, we'll continue. Now here in this article, if you see the heading of this article, as I already told you, when you are reading any current affair of science and technology, what you need to do, you need to go through keywords. Now here the keyword is monoclonal, which is not known to us. Why? Because see, antibody known to us, coronavirus known to us, राइट सो इस पूरे हेडिंग में हमें नोन क्या नहीं है, मोनोक्लोनल. लेकिन मोनोक्लोनल दिस इज नॉट अ सिंगल वर्ड, इट इज अ होल वर्ड, दैट इज मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी. सो for your preliminary examination, this monoclonal antibody concept is very important. So today first we will discuss what monoclonal antibody, and along with that we will discuss one very important technology from biotech, that is hybridoma technology. Now for this lecture it is not necessary you must have knowledge of all concepts of biotechnology in depth. Whatever I am explaining here, just try to grasp it, just try to understand it. And if you don't understand, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, I shared it. You can contact me on my Telegram channel, that is also already shared. And you can also ask me in live chat on YouTube and in comment sections of the Unacademy learning app. Okay, so first thing, ये सेम हेडिंग मैंने यहाँ ले ली है कि मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी टू ब्लॉक कोरोना वायरस इन्फेक्शन। फाइन, फर्स्ट फैक्ट जो इनके बारे में आपको याद रखनी है, दिस आर्टिकल about monoclonal antibodies, it is talking about the monoclonal antibodies which are stored in frozen format in 2002-2003। आज जो डिसीज है which we are calling COVID-19 and the causative agent of this disease is SARS-CoV-2 virus। Here you can see SARS-CoV-2 virus, this is the causative agent of this disease. Everyone knows this, right? So the name of the disease is, what is the name of the disease? COVID-19. Now if you do not know the long form of SARS, so for you I am giving this long form. The long form of SARS is severe acute respiratory syndrome. This is the long form. Now in 2002 2003 there was a pandemic. The name of that pandemic was SARS, उसे हमने SARS ही नाम दिया था। आज जो COVID-19 है, that is also SARS, we only named it as COVID-19 because it is a severe acute respiratory syndrome. COVID-19 is also. Now one question for you, you will answer this question in live chat. The question is, what is the main reason behind respiratory failure in COVID-19 disease? Again, just listen the question carefully. What is the main reason behind respiratory failure in COVID-19 disease? Okay, you will answer this in live chat. Fine guys. So here you know the long form of SARS. So remember COVID-19 is also a SARS and 2002-2003 में जो disease आया था, that is also a SARS disease. So this is about SARS. अब जो 2002 में disease आया था, that is also caused by that is also caused by SARS-CoV virus. That's why the name of the virus that is causing COVID-19 disease, the name of the virus is SARS-CoV-2, क्योंकि जो पहला था उसकी वजह से 2002 में डिसीज हुआ था और जो दूसरा है उसकी वजह से 2020 में डिसीज हो रहा है। ओके गाइस, वेरी गुड तानिया, क्लॉटिंग ऑफ not blood cells, clotting of blood, very good Charchika, thrombosis, very good, fine. So SARS-CoV virus caused SARS in 2002 and SARS-CoV-2 virus caused what? It caused COVID-19 disease. Okay, it's okay Sakshi, you need to watch previous YouTube videos as well as my videos on Unacademy learning app, then you will know, no problem. Okay, Pradeep Mishra, that fluid filled in lungs, this is the main cause, that is the cause of pneumonia. And for your information, we already studied on in current affair that the main reason is respiratory failure, and the reason for respiratory failure in COVID-19 is thrombosis, pulmonary thrombosis. Okay, yes, infection of lungs, Srihari. Okay, great. Gargi Ahlawat. Gargi, why don't I see you on Unacademy Learning app? That is special class. You should be there. Muskan, hello Muskan. Okay, fine. First point clear. इसमें से हमें क्या क्या अंडरस्टैंड किए? हमने अभी तक दो पॉइंट अंडरस्टैंड किए। फर्स्ट पॉइंट की सार्स ये डिसीज दो टाइम में हुआ है, 2002 एज वेल एज 2020। 2002 में सार्स कॉज्ड बाय सार्स सीओवी, 2020 में SARS or COVID-19 caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus. Fine. Now, very important. When this 2002 SARS was spreading across the world, scientists identified some antibodies and they stored these antibodies. They stored these antibodies in frozen format, and recently these scientists they tested these monoclonal antibodies against SARS-CoV-2 virus, which is causing COVID-19 disease, and surprisingly one of that monoclonal antibody was found to recognize the infection, of novel coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2 virus. Here you need to remember, these antibodies are not formed in response to novel coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2 virus. These antibodies were formed in response to SARS-CoV virus, which caused SARS disease in 2002. Same antibody is recognizing the infection of SARS-CoV-2 virus. Now I hope you need not to understand what antibody is. Everyone knows antibody, what antibody is. Okay, क्लियर अंडरस्टूड गाइज. सो ये सेकेंड पॉइंट आपको यहाँ याद रखना है कि सम एंटीबॉडीज विच वेर एक्चुअली extracted from 2002 infection, they are responding or they are recognizing the infection of SARS-CoV-2. Now question for you, if these antibodies are recognizing the infection of SARS-CoV-2, these antibodies are recognizing the infection of SARS-CoV-2 virus, what is the application of these antibodies, where we can use these antibodies? जी ये एंटीबॉडीज हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, हमें नई एंटीबॉडीज फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो अगर ये एंटीबॉडीज SARS-CoV-2 को रिकॉग्नाइज कर रही है, तो व्हाट एप्लीकेशंस दीज एंटीबॉडीज माइट हैव इन COVID-19 disease? Okay, Shantanu, hi, I'm good, thank you. Hi, Shantanu. Yes, guys, answer this question. Clear? Next, here the first application they already told you. The first application is already told you. See, this antibody can help to develop antigen detection test. These antibodies can develop antigen detection test. So what is the first application? With the help of these antibodies, we can develop detection tests for COVID-19 disease or for SARS-CoV-2 virus. First application, we can develop detection test. Easy test detection होगा, easy test detection होगा, yes. And second application is we can use these antibodies for vaccine development. Very good. That means we can use these antibodies for treatment of the patient, vaccine development, or we can say treatment of the patient. Clear, guys? Understood? These are the two applications of these antibodies, and you need to remember here, these are the monoclonal antibodies. Ramandeep Kaur, welcome. Hi. Clear, guys? I hope you are getting clear idea what is SARS and what is COVID-19. ये दो अलग अलग डिसीज है. SARS is caused by SARS-CoV. COVID-19 is caused by SARS-CoV-2. SARS-CoV के अगेंस्ट जो एंटीबॉडीज बनी थी, द सेम एंटीबॉडी इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू द SARS-CoV-2 वायरस, and that's why these antibodies have many applications. दो एप्लीकेशन हमने यहाँ देख लिए, एक detection, a test detection, and second vaccine development. So if you are clear, यहाँ तक अगर आपका क्लियर है तो प्लीज से यस, अगर ये क्लियर है तो प्लीज से यस. Clear, guys? Okay, fine. Now third point. So if you read this third point, see, they offer the potential to prevent or treat. Prevention में vaccine and treatment में भी ready-made antibodies. COVID-19 possibility है कि we can use these antibodies or alone or in combination to prevent or treat COVID-19 disease, as well as further emerging diseases in human. फर्दर इमर्जिंग डिसीजेस इन ह्यूमन, वो भी हम इससे ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. लेकिन कौन से डिसीजेस जो फ्यूचर में होंगे, कौन से डिसीजेस? दोज डिसीजेस विच आर कॉज्ड बाय सार्स-CoV virus subgenus. Now here, this is not at all important for your prelims or mains, but because it is mentioned in your article of the Hindu, so I am telling you this. Remember, SARS-CoV or SARS-CoV-2, these viruses, they belong to a family of viruses, और उस फैमिली या सॉरी जीनस को या सब जीनस को बिलोंग करते हैं, उस जीनस का नाम है सर्बिको वायरस। इसमें ये जो SAR है, दैट इज सीवियर एक्यूट रेस्पिरेटरी सिंड्रोम, जिन वायरस की वजह से होता है, CO फॉर कोरोना, तो उन सब वायरस को इस सब जीनस में इंक्लूड किया है। नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, जस्ट फैक्ट के फॉर्म में बताया मैंने आपको। अब इस पूरे स्लाइड को मैं 1 मिनट में सम अप करता हूँ। द होल स्लाइड सेज कि there are two types of diseases which are caused by SARS-CoV viruses. One, SARS 2002 caused by SARS-CoV. Two, COVID-19 caused by SARS-CoV-2. दूसरी बात जो आपको इस स्लाइड से याद रखनी है, सम अप कर रहा हूं, that the monoclonal antibodies which were produced in 2002 in response to SARS-CoV virus, same monoclonal antibodies are responding or recognizing the infection of SARS-CoV-2. So we can use these monoclonal antibodies for prevention or treatment of COVID-19 disease. This is all about from this slide. Now we'll go to the next slide. Fine. Now here, the first point is the question of your preliminary examination. The whole first point, I will give you the options. Option in a sense, I will give you the keywords. First thing, SARS-CoV, ये जो कोरोना वायरस है, दीज कोरोना वायरस, आपको पूछा जा सकता है प्रीलिम में कि कोरोना वायरस किसे इन्फेक्ट करते हैं। तो रिमेंबर, कोरोना वायरस इन्फेक्ट्स ह्यूमंस, bats and certain other mammals. So basically, even if you have any idea, yes, okay, see Srihari, for that you have to read biological classification. Here I can say कि it is part of a genus, इसलिए हमने उसे सब genus कहा है। Okay, please message me on my WhatsApp. I shared WhatsApp number on Unacademy Learning app today's video, so you can ask there. Okay, so बैट, एवरीवन नोज बैट इज अ मैमल विच कैन फ्लाई, फ्लाइंग मैमल है, ठीक है। कैन यू टेल मी एनी मैमल विच हैज विच ले एग्स? एग लेइंग मैमल किसी को पता है? नॉर्मली मैमल बेबीज को बर्थ देते हैं, लेकिन इज देयर एनी एग लेइंग मैमल? यस, प्लीज क्विकली आंसर दिस इन लाइव चैट। सेकेंड थिंग जो आपको याद रखनी है वो ये है कि everyone knows कि कोरोना और SARS-CoV-2 virus is a RNA virus. Here, just in case UPSC goes in depth, तो आपको याद रखना है this RNA is single stranded. 99%, 99.99% point में याद रखिए, RNA is always single stranded and DNA is double stranded. Very good, Yasmin. Platypus, those who don't know, you can see the live chat in case, और जिन्हें live chat नहीं दिखा, platypus याद रखिए, it is a egg laying mammal. तो flying mammal हो गया, egg laying mammal हो गया, ठीक है। and third याद रखिए, this genetic material is positive sense single stranded RNA. Now positive and negative sense, that I will explain you in genetics. DNA is a negatively charged molecule. Okay, no Sarthak, frog is actually not mammal. फ्रॉग मैमल नहीं है, एम्फीबियंस में आता है। ओके फाइन, सो दैट्स इट। और दूसरा जो याद रखना है आपको, जस्ट रिमेंबर इन दिस फर्स्ट पॉइंट, ACE2 रिसेप्टर्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन कोरोना वायरस। जस्ट रिमेंबर, आपको ज्यादा टेक्निकलिटीज में नहीं जाना है। ACE2 ये रिसेप्टर है जिसकी वजह से वो बाइंड होता है हमारे सेल्स के साथ। आगे वाले पॉइंट में मैं ये आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। तो इन फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ दिस स्लाइड, पहला पॉइंट जो प्रीलिम के लिए याद रखना है, कोरोना वायरस दे इन्फेक्ट मेनली मैमल्स, उसमें भी मेनली ह्यूमंस और बैट्स को इन्फेक्ट करते। सेकेंड पॉइंट जो इस स्लाइड के फर्स्ट पॉइंट से याद रखना है वो कि दैट दीज कोरोना वायरस दे आर single strand, their genetic material is single stranded RNA. You already know that virus is nothing but a genetic material enveloped or covered by a प्रोटीन और पॉलीसेक्राइड एनीथिंग, वो बना किससे रहता है वायरस? एक वायरसेस हैव द जेनेटिक मटेरियल एंड अ कोट, दैट्स इट। तो कोरोना वायरस के केस में जेनेटिक मटेरियल इज आरएनए, एंड यहाँ पे जो कोट है एवरीवन नोज ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन का कोट होता है विच इज इन स्पाइक फॉर्मेट, ठीक है। तो रिमेंबर द जेनेटिक मटेरियल ऑफ कोरोना वायरस आरएनए विच इज सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड एंड पॉजिटिव सेंस। आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर, आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर फॉर यू श्रीहरि। सब जीनस सार्बी को कोरोना वायरस है, लेकिन इसका जो जीनस है वो है बीटा कोरोना वायरस, ठीक है। वन बाय वन we will discuss this also, okay। Now come to the next point of this slide. Next point, now in this slide it is very important, in this slide it is very important। अभी हमने क्या कहा था कि the monoclonal antibody which is in the form of which is frozen, वो हमें किससे मिली थी? 2002 के सार्स इन्फेक्शन के स्प्रेड के टाइम। सार्स किसकी वजह से हुआ था? सार्स सीओवी की वजह से। The same antibody is responding to SARS. It is responding to COVID-19 disease, which is again SARS. It is also responding to MERS. MERS का नाम है Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. It is also responding to HCOV OC43. And what here you need to remember is all these three diseases, and fourth one is COVID-19. All these three diseases are caused by coronavirus. All these three diseases are caused by coronavirus. Now prelims का आपके UPSC prelim का question मैं यही फॉर्म कर रहा हूँ। Consider following statement. Which of the following is disease? For which of the following disease is caused by coronavirus? First option देंगे वो SARS. Second option will be MERS. Third option will be HCOV OC43 और A होगा only one, B होगा 1 and 2, C होगा 1 and 3 and D होगा 1 2 3। Now you know the answer. What is the answer? Fine, clear। पहला पॉइंट, सेकेंड पॉइंट में पहला पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ, ये क्वेश्चन मैंने फ्रेम किया। नाउ यू नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज। नो राम भाऊ, आंसर इज डी। इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या है? डी। They are asking which disease is caused by coronavirus. They are not asking which disease is caused by SARS-CoV. SARS-CoV or SARS-CoV-2. These are examples of coronavirus. Very good, Shriyari Ramandeep. These are examples of coronavirus. So यही पे दिया है ना, here you can see to get ठीक है, ये तीनों डिसीजेस कोरोना वायरस की वजह से थे। ग्रेट ग्रेट साक्षी, ग्रेट। नाउ यू नो, राइट साक्षी? पहले वाले का आंसर पता नहीं था, नाउ यू नो। फाइन, नाउ विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, हियर आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू द मीनिंग ऑफ कंजर्व्ड। हियर आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू द मीनिंग ऑफ कंजर्व्ड। प्लीज बी अटेंटिव, बहुत केयरफुली सुनिए। ये अगर आप पूरा होल sentence read करोगे, which one? The parts of the proteins of these viruses are highly conserved. The parts of the proteins of these viruses are highly conserved. And ये second line, conserve, which means they are very similar, and we hope to get antibodies that recognized these conserved parts. Here आपको याद क्या रखना है कि why these antibodies, the antibodies which are formed in response to SARS-CoV virus, why they are responding to, see, एक antibody है which is formed in response to SARS-CoV, right? The same antibody is responding to SARS-CoV-2 virus. Same antibody is responding to MERS. Remember, same antibody is responding to HCOV OC43. Why it is happening? If when we say that every antibody is unique to a particular antigen, hello Ashok Patra, unique to a particular antigen, then why it is happening कि one single antibody is responding to all these four, जो अलग अलग वायरस की वजह से होते हैं, लेकिन all these viruses belong to कोरोना वायरस। ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? बिकॉज इन सब वायरसेस के ऊपर जो प्रोटीन है ना, द प्रोटीन present on these viruses are highly conserved, and what is the meaning of highly conserved? These proteins are very similar. These proteins are very similar. Here the meaning of conserved is similar. इन चारों डिसीजेस के जो पॉजिटिव एजेंट है या वायरसेस है, उनके बॉडी पे, सॉरी कोट पे जो प्रोटीन्स है, दे आर सिमिलर. दैट्स व्हाई से वन एंटीबॉडी इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू all types of viruses. Got it, guys? If you got it, please say yes in live chat. Okay, so that's it. So in first point, coronavirus affects humans, bats, mainly mammals, and mainly humans and bats. Second, coronavirus genetic material is RNA virus. Okay, yes, they belong to same category, Venkata Reddy Dodda. That's why these antibodies are responding, and they have some conserved proteins, matlab similar proteins. Okay, then remember genetic material. Then remember ACE2 receptors are present on these, on its host cell by binding to ACE2 receptors. Then beta coronavirus, this is family. Third, SARS-CoV, SARS-CoV-2, MERS disease, and HCoV OC43 disease. They are all caused by the same family of viruses, that is coronaviruses, and antibodies are responding to all these viruses because these viruses have conserved protein. Clear? Now we'll go to the third point. Third, it is very important. Those who are from not medical background, उनके अलावा कोई और नहीं समझ सकता, लेकिन आज आप समझ जाओगे, ठीक है? Here I will explain how exactly disease is caused. How exactly disease is caused. See, suppose on Friday, coronavirus entered in my body. So I should show symptoms immediately. But that does not happen. Everyone knows कि at least 14 days लगते हैं symptoms show होने के लिए. जब symptoms show होते हैं तो हम कहते हैं कि उस person को disease हुआ. जब symptoms show होते हैं तो हम क्या कहते हैं? That person has disease. Okay. और जब body में infection है, डिसीज कॉजिंग एजेंट है लेकिन सिम्टम्स नहीं है, तो हम कहते हैं दैट पर्सन इज इन्फेक्टेड. सो इन्फेक्टेड होना और डिसीज होना ये दो अलग है. इन्फेक्टेड का मीनिंग क्या है? प्रेजेंस ऑफ द डिसीज कॉजिंग एजेंट इन बॉडी, पर्टिकुलरली इन ब्लड. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिसीज? व्हेन द सिम्टम्स आर शोन. तो अगर फ्राइडे से मेरे बॉडी में कोरोना वायरस है, लेकिन why it is taking 14 days to show symptoms? Why it is taking 14 days to show symptoms? Because when this coronavirus enter into my body, my immune system starts killing that virus. But when the rate of reproduction of virus increases and the rate of destruction of that virus by immune system decreases, so slowly the population of virus will increase, and at one point that population will lead to disease. That population will lead to disease. तो सिम्टम शो होने के लिए डिसीज कॉजिंग एजेंट की पॉपुलेशन हमारे बॉडी में बढ़नी चाहिए, और वो पॉपुलेशन तब बढ़ती है जब उस वायरस का रेट ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इज हायर देन रेट ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दैट वायरस बाय आवर इम्यून सिस्टम. ओके, so now you will understand this third point. अब आपको ये third point समझ में आएगा. What is this? With new infections, it is a race between the body making new antibodies versus the virus replicating. Got it? ये रेस होती है दोनों में. इम्यून सिस्टम एंटीबॉडीज बना रही है विच विल डिस्ट्रॉय वायरस, और वायरस खुद की कॉपीज बना रहा है सो दैट इट कैन कॉज डिसीज. तो अगर ये रेस वायरस ने जीत ली तो हमें डिसीज होगा. ये रेस अगर इम्यून सिस्टम में जीत ली तो वी विल develop immunity against that disease and we will treat our disease by ourselves without any help from the without any help from the medicine or vaccine. Clear? Understood? Understood? Now last point from this slide. अब लास्ट बट वन पॉइंट में हमने क्या देखा कि इट इज अ रेस बिटवीन the body making new antibodies versus the virus replicating. Now, if our body is unable to win against replicating virus, so we can help our body by injecting ready-made antibodies from outside. We can help our body by injecting ready-made antibodies from our outside. तो बॉडी खुद भी एंटीबॉडीज बना रही है एंड बॉडी को हम बाहर से भी एंटीबॉडीज सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो इससे क्या होगा कि वायरस का रेट ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन कम होगा और नंबर ऑफ एंटीबॉडीज ज्यादा होंगे. श्रीहरि, श्रीहरि, what is infection? Whenever there is an infection in our body, that virus or bacteria starts reproducing. At the same time, our body starts killing that virus or bacteria. If rate of reproduction of infection is higher and rate of killing of that infection by immune system is lower, so the population of that infectious agent will increase and it will cause disease. Now, if we help our body to kill more virus than the virus reproducing, agar if virus is making 10 copies and our body is killing all 10, so there will be no infection, there will be no disease. So ये जो killing होती है that is done by the antibodies. So if we inject antibodies from outside, yes, Sakshi, plasma therapy is same principle used in plasma therapy. Okay, there will be a separate lecture on plasma therapy. Okay, so Shriyari, what we are doing, we are injecting antibodies from outside as well as our body is also making antibodies. So the making new antibodies, that rate is higher and virus ka replication rate will be lower. So it will help to destroy disease. Clear? Now, if we want to inject antibodies from outside, we must have these antibodies. If we want to inject these antibodies from outside, we must have these antibodies, and these antibodies against SARS-CoV-2 we have, that is monoclonal antibodies which are frozen from 2002 SARS infection. Clear? Clear? That's it. Now we are going to the last point. Okay. Till now, what we understood that we have antibodies which are responding to SARS-CoV-2 virus. Okay, SARS-CoV-2 virus. We have monoclonal antibodies which are responding to SARS-CoV-2 virus. These antibodies were actually frozen from SARS infection of 2002. ये पहला point हमने पढ़ा. Second point that we discussed is these antibodies, they are used to kill the virus in our body, but for that we need to inject these antibodies into our body. ठीक है? If you want to inject antibodies in the patients of corona या COVID-19 के patients में अगर ये हमें inject करना है, then what we need? Tell me how many COVID-19 patients we have today in the world and in India. I guess there are more than 60 lakh plus patients of COVID-19 across the world. Now, if we have antibody which can help to treat COVID-19, but we have only 10 antibodies, is it enough to treat 60 lakh patients? No. So if we want to treat 60 lakh patients, we need more antibodies. Now, if we need more antibodies, from where we get these antibodies? So ये last point बता रहा है. The antibodies are made in humans. अब हमारे ह्यूमन में तो ये एंटीबॉडी कब बनेगी? When COVID-19 SARS-CoV enters into our body. So that is not an option. तो ह्यूमन वाला ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं है here. When someone was saying plasma therapy, na Sakshi, that plasma therapy is nothing but a person with COVID-19 disease who is ट्रीटेड, तो उसके प्लाज्मा में एंटीबॉडीज है अगेंस्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर कोविड 9 SARS-CoV-2, तो वी यूज दैट प्लाज्मा, दैट इज रेडीमेड एंटीबॉडीज फ्रॉम अनदर ह्यूमन टू ट्रीट अनदर कोविड 19 पेशेंट। तो यह ह्यूमन वाला पॉइंट हुआ, बट प्लाज्मा थेरेपी के अपने खुद के बहुत सारे limitations है। Second, what we can do, we will inject SARS-CoV-2 virus in animals. These animals will produce antibodies, and we will extract these antibodies and use these antibodies as vaccine. जैसे कि we can inject these, we can extract these antibodies from mice, we can extract these antibodies from ferrets, we can extract these antibodies from horse, we can extract these antibodies from, you can say, cat, we can extract these antibodies from rabbit. So animal से भी ये antibodies हम extract कर सकते हैं। Fine, यहाँ तक सभी को समझ में आ गया कि we have antibody, we have a source to treat COVID-19, that is to inject antibodies from outside. But the problem is to have large number of these antibodies. This problem can be solved by isolating antibodies from either human or animals. Human part is not applicable, or it is not advisable, so we opt for the animal portion. यहां तक क्लियर? तो अब पॉइंट आता है टू आइसोलेट, एंटीबॉडीज आइसोलेट करना, टू आइसोलेट एंटीबॉडीज। नाउ दिस इज योर प्रीलिम्स क्वेश्चन। जो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं, आई एम टेलिंग यू द प्रीलिम्स क्वेश्चन। यस गार्गी, एनी मैमल विच इज क्लोजर टू ह्यूमन बीइंग। ओके, so how to isolate these antibodies? Answer is hybridoma technology. Write it down. Hybridoma technology is used to isolate antibodies from either human or animals. Write it down. Hybridoma technology is used to isolate antibodies from animals or humans. Write it down. Write it down, Shriyari. I told the name of that technology. Now how it is isolated, I am going to explain you. बट राइट नाउ आपको प्रीलिम में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि हाउ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टेक्नोलॉजी इज यूज्ड टू आइसोलेट एंटीबॉडीज? आंसर विल बी hybridoma technology. Answer will be hybridoma technology. Now there will be a separate section in which I will explain you. No, Yasmin, we extract those antibodies which are compatible with human. We do not extract antibodies and directly inject them into human body. First we extract them, we test them on different human or closest relatives of humans, like we test them on monkeys, we test them on chimpanzees, and then if it compatible, then only we use them for treatment. Okay, that is what clinical trial is. Fine. Now here I'm going to explain you the structure of SARS-CoV-2 virus. Structure of SARS-CoV-2 virus. First thing that you need to know is the genome of SARS-CoV-2 is RNA. Now you know. अगर मैं को इसमें कुछ एडिशन कीजिए, what type of RNA it is in SARS-CoV-2 virus. SARS-CoV-2 virus causes COVID-19 disease. SARS-CoV-2 virus causes COVID-19 disease. Tell me quickly in live chat fact about genomic RNA of SARS-CoV-2. Okay. Second, what you need to remember is it has, इसके कोड पे दो टाइप के प्रोटीन, तीन टाइप के प्रोटीन्स आपको मिलेंगे, ठीक है, 3 टाइप प्रोटीन। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जो प्रोटीन है वो है स्पाइक ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन। हमने वो जो वेक्टर रिकॉम्बिनेंट वेक्टर वैक्सीन की बात की थी ना, एडिनो वायरस वाली, व्हाट वी डिड, वी covered adenovirus with these spike glycoproteins of SARS-CoV-2, and these glycoproteins, they lead to the formation of antibodies against SARS-CoV-2 virus. Okay, तो एक प्रोटीन का कोट है उसे कहते हैं स्पाइक ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन। These looks like a crown of the king, that's why the name corona. ठीक है, देन दे हैव मेम्ब्रेन प्रोटीन, दीज आर द मोस्ट कॉमन प्रोटीन, सो नथिंग न्यू, स्पेशलिटी सिर्फ इसकी स्पाइक प्रोटीन की है। एंड थर्ड प्रोटीन जो इसमें वो है एनवलप स्मॉल मेम्ब्रेन प्रोटीन, एनवलप स्मॉल मेम्ब्रेन protein. So these are the 3 types of proteins which are present on the surface of the coat of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. single stranded RNA. Correct, Gargi. Single stranded RNA. You need to remember only one protein, that is spike glycoprotein. In preliminary examination, UPSC will give different statements. One statement will be SARS-CoV-2 virus genome is made up of single stranded RNA. Statement is correct. Second statement will be the coat of SARS-CoV-2 virus is covered with spike glycoprotein. Statement is correct. ठीक है? Done? Clear? So this is the structure of SARS-CoV-2 virus which causes COVID-19 disease. Second, now here through this image I am going to explain you. See, which disease is caused by SARS-CoV? Tell me, which disease is caused by SARS-CoV? बताइए. Yes, positive envelope single stranded RNA. Which disease is caused by SARS-CoV and which disease is caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus? इन दोनों वायरस की वजह से कौन कौन से डिसीज होते हैं, लाइव कमेंट में बताइए. ओके फाइन. नाउ this is SARS-CoV-2 virus. These are spike protein. I told you these spike protein, they will attach to ACE2. They will attach to ACE2 protein. Now remember this ACE2 protein, अभी मैंने बताया था, this ACE2 protein is present on the host cell and this spike protein will attach to this, and now after this attachment this virus will enter into host cell. This virus will enter into host cell. Clear? समझ में आया? तो ACE2 angiotensin protein is present on yes, SARS-CoV-2 causes COVID-19. Bandita Meyer correct, and SARS-CoV causes SARS. Very good, nice. तो आपको यहाँ याद रखना है ACE2 is present on the host cell and glycoprotein is present, spike glycoprotein is present on the coronavirus, and they bind and then they will enter into the host cell. ठीक है? So that's it. इसके बारे में इतना ही important है. Now we'll go to the hybridoma technology. Now we'll discuss hybridoma technology. Okay guys, यहाँ पे पहले आप हाइब्रिडोमा टेक्नोलॉजी की डेफिनेशन अच्छे से याद रखिए एंड इफ पॉसिबल राइट डाउन दिस डेफिनेशन. इफ पॉसिबल राइट डाउन दिस डेफिनेशन. जैसे आपने लिखा हुआ है कि हाइब्रिडोमा टेक्नोलॉजी इज अ टेक्नोलॉजी विच इज यूज्ड टू आइसोलेट एंटीबॉडीज. अब उसके बारे में इन्होंने यहाँ पे कहा है इट इज अ वर्सटाइल मेथड फॉर आइसोलेशन ऑफ. It is a versatile का मीनिंग क्या होता है? All round. It is a versatile method for isolation of monoclonal antibodies. Remember, hybridoma technology is a versatile method for isolation of monoclonal antibodies. Done? Clear? Hybridoma technology for your preliminary examination. This is more than enough. But still I am going to explain you about हाइब्रिडोमा टेक्नोलॉजी इन डिटेल अलग से, लेकिन अभी के लिए इतना याद रखिए हाइब्रिडोमा टेक्नोलॉजी. नाउ सी यहाँ पे इन्होंने यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन किया है कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हाइब्रिडोमा टेक्नोलॉजी इज. इन हाइब्रिडोमा टेक्नोलॉजी व्हाट वी यूज फ्यूज्ड बी सेल्स. नाउ दीज बी सेल्स आर द सेल्स ऑफ इम्यून सिस्टम. बी सेल्स आर द सेल्स ऑफ इम्यून सिस्टम. हम इसे फ्यूज्ड कह रहे हैं बिकॉज that I will explain you in hybridoma, क्योंकि इसमें हम क्या करते हैं बी सेल्स को और कुछ कैंसरस सेल्स है उनको क्या करते हैं फ्यूज करते हैं एंड देन इसीलिए दो टाइप की सेल्स को हम वी आर फ्यूजिंग टू टाइप्स ऑफ सेल. that's why the name of technology hybrid और hybridoma, mixing two types of cell, hybrid और hybridoma. एक तो इम्यून सिस्टम की सेल्स है और दूसरी कैंसरस सेल्स है. Fine. Now there will be a question in your mind. Why, sir? Why we use cancerous cells? So we use cancerous cells because what is the main important quality of a cancerous cell? What is the most important quality of a cancerous cell? Yes, guys, tell me. क्या quality होती है? They divide unlimited. They form what they form? They form tumors. तो वो कंटिन्यूअसली मल्टीप्लाई होती रहती है. तो इफ वी फ्यूज दीज टू सेल्स टुगेदर एंड दीज फ्यूज्ड बी सेल्स दे विल प्रोड्यूस एंटीबॉडीज. तो क्या होगा नेचुरली कैंसर सेल या फ्यूज सेल कैंसर सेल की वजह से मल्टीपल टाइम मल्टीपल टाइम मल्टीप्लाई होगी और उससे उतनी ज्यादा एंटीबॉडीज बनेगी। ओके, यस चर्चिका, उतनी ज्यादा एंटीबॉडीज बनेगी, ठीक है। नाउ नाउ व्हाई वी कॉल देम मोनोक्लोनल, व्हाई दीज एंटीबॉडीज, यहाँ पे आपको याद रखना है एंटीबॉडीज, मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी का मीनिंग क्या है। मीनिंग ऑफ मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी, आई एम अंडरलाइनिंग द पार्ट एंड आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इमीडिएटली, ठीक है। मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी का मीनिंग, here they are monoclonal antibody because first they come from single B cell and they make only one specific antibody. They, yes, they are single type. Every antibody is unique, Nikita, but uniqueness in these antibodies is they are specific to only one specific antibody बनाती है ये B cells, ठीक है। ये B cells का क्या करती है, they produce only one specific antibody, that's why monoclonal। normally होता क्या है कि there are multiple types of B cells which produce different types of antibodies, or there is one B cell which produce more than one type of antibodies। यहाँ पे only one specific antibody is produced by these hybridomas। ये natural नहीं है, ये जो fused B cell hybridomas है, they produce only one specific antibody, that's why they are known as monoclonal, that's why they are known as monoclonal। okay, क्यों समझ में आया मोनोक्लोनल क्यों कहते हैं, बिकॉज दीज आर द ओनली वन स्पेसिफिक एंटीबॉडी विच आर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय फ्यूज्ड सिंगल बी सेल हाइब्रिडोमास, फ्यूज्ड सिंगल बी सेल hybridomas, that's why they are known as monoclonal, monoclonal। okay, okay, clear, I hope you understood everything that we discussed today। अब मैं सिर्फ आपको लास्ट में सम अप कर रहा हूं, इन कीवर्ड्स को आपको लिखते जाना है और खुद ही को पूछना है whether you understood this or not, and if answer is yes, well and good, if answer is no, you are free to ask me, you are free to ask me। first thing, you must have understood what is monoclonal antibody। first keyword monoclonal antibody, you must have understood that, ये पहला पॉइंट। ओके, सेकेंड पॉइंट जो आपने अंडरस्टैंड किया हुआ होना चाहिए वो ये कि डिफरेंस बिटवीन सार्स एंड कोविड 19। कोविड 19 is also SARS and SARS is SARS, only difference is causative agent, SARS is caused by SARS-CoV and COVID-19 is caused by SARS-CoV-2। थर्ड जो चीज आपको यहाँ पे याद रखनी है वो ये कि मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडीज क्यों न्यूज में थी, why monoclonal antibodies were news, because some scientists are planning to use frozen monoclonal antibodies which were extracted from 2002 SARS infection, that's why they are in news। next जो आपको यहाँ याद रखना है कि कोरोना वायरस मेनली किसे इन्फेक्ट करता है, तो इट मेनली इन्फेक्ट्स mammals, it mainly infects mammals। yes Yasmin, very perfect, very good definition। monoclonal, why monoclonal, because all these antibodies are clones of each other, वो सेम है, सिमिलर है, स्पेसिफिक है, उनमें कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई मोनोक्लोनल। यू शुड रीड मोर अबाउट मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडीज बाय योरसेल्फ ऑन गूगल। ओके, नेक्स्ट जो आपको याद रखना है कीवर्ड मैं बता रहा हूं, कोरोना वायरस इन्फेक्ट्स टू whom, आंसर है मैमल्स, मेनली ह्यूमन एंड bats। then what is the genetic material of coronavirus, you know, then coronavirus spike glycoprotein of coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2 virus attaches to what, S2 receptor, it is a angiotensin converting enzyme 2, S2 receptor। then तीसरा पॉइंट जो आपको याद रखना है, names of the diseases which are caused by coronaviruses। okay, see, कोरोना वायरस इज अ लार्ज बिग टर्म, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे वायरस आते हैं, वन ऑफ देम इज SARS-CoV-2 which causes COVID-19 disease, ठीक है। so diseases caused by coronaviruses। next जो आपको पता होना चाहिए, meaning of conserved, meaning of conserved or meaning of the term conserved in case of viruses, so you know that। Next you need to understand is what is hybridoma technology. Right now you need to understand only the what you need to understand only the meaning of hybridoma technology. What is hybridoma technology? It is something that is used for isolation of antibodies or monoclonal antibodies. Hybridoma technology. And what we use in hybridoma technology, we use fused B cells. We use fused B cells. Okay. Sir, if they are caused due to same virus category, they why both can be cured by using the same medicine? Not same medicine. We are talking about antibody Shriyari. Medicines will be used, different medicines will be used. Okay. फैमिली इज सेम, जैसे हमारे फैमिली में सब सेम है ना, एक ही सरनेम सभी का पिल्ले ही होगा आपके फैमिली में, लेकिन हर कोई अलग अलग है, एवरीवन इज डिफरेंट. इट्स लाइक दैट कोरोना वायरस एक सिंगल फैमिली हुई, उसमें अलग अलग टाइप के वायरसेस है, तो दे विल बी ट्रीटेड बाय डिफरेंट मेडिसिन एज वेल एज दे कैन बी ट्रीटेड बाय सम सिमिलर मेडिसिन एज वेल. ओके, जैसे हाइड्रोक्सी क्लोरोक्विन आपने पढ़ा है, मलेरिया के लिए भी यूज हो रही है और कोविड-19 के अगेंस्ट भी यूज हो रही है. मेनी मेडिसिन विच आर यूज्ड फॉर pneumonia, they are being used for covid-19 disease. Okay, right. Next जो आपको याद रखना है यहाँ पे, fused B cells. Fused B cells are nothing but the B cells, they are cells of the immune system and cancerous cell. इन दोनों को अगर आप fuse करोगे तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Fused B cells. Now guys, announcement for you for next lecture. As I told you, I'm going to explain you hybridoma technology differently. मैं आपको अलग से हाइब्रिडोमा टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूं. A lecture about this hybridoma technology will be a short lecture of maximum 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and this lecture will be held tomorrow. But here you need to remember one thing. This hybridoma technology lecture, this is one session on YouTube of 10 to 15 seconds. Tomorrow I will update you the time. Most probably time will be 9 to 9:15 in the morning. Most probably I will update you on WhatsApp as well as on in the mornings lecture on Unacademy learning app, and second lecture will be our regular lecture of 11 a.m. on YouTube. So tomorrow there will be two sessions on YouTube. One regular session of the science and technology through the Hindu, and another session will be a special session on hybridoma technology on YouTube. Okay, and in case I plan to take this hybridoma technology session on Unacademy app, I will ensure ki this session will be free. I will ensure that this session will be free. In that case, you just need to attend this session on Unacademy. So for the updates about hybridoma technology lecture, you need to tune in tomorrow at 8 a.m. in the morning on Unacademy learning app, as well as stay tuned with my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp number. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Before leaving, just remember, don't forget to subscribe to Unacademy's Unacademy's YouTube channel. Let's crack UPSC CSE. Hit the bell icon so you will not lose lectures which are important. आपको immediate notification आएगा. And most important, please subscribe to Unacademy learning app, and while subscribing use my code SKUS to get instant 10% discount. Okay guys, so thank you very much. See you soon. matlab we will see you each other tomorrow 8 a.m. in the morning on Unacademy learning app. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.